Hey guys, just going to do some recaps of some trades. You're going to see a lot of bull flags on the way up of CRBP. If you don't want to draw fibs, obviously look at them. Freaking sickening. Right there to the penny as predicted from the first run up here. So pretty sick runs. There's some baby bull flags right here. They were bigger bull flags this morning, but now they're small compared to the run it had. So definitely the stock market's heated up a lot this week, so that's great. You'll basically just see these downtrends and rebreaks, and sometimes they're longer to form. And you want to take that. These little stair steps were very easy to see right here in pre, and then it busted right here. Beautiful run. Sadly, I didn't get any of that run, but somebody else did. Happy for him. He did great, and then some people were complaining that they got stopped out. So some of those trailing stop losses, you just got to keep watching the stock and maybe not be so tight. But here we go. So basically, it's just uptrending now. It looks very small, but again, it was huge this morning when we were looking at this. Here's like a double top, and then it broke, and then stair stepped up. Got all of that trade. That should have been an easy trade. This breakdown right here, and then look at the volume coming in. So just look at the bottom. Easy stuff. So right here, we had probably had this trade going on. Then it hit the next level. Then it went up here past that level. And then look, came and bounced. But look at this shallow thing right here. That's one of your first indicators. This is the best one right here. That's a double shelf right there. And then it broke here one more time once it slanted. And if you want to see that slant, you will draw a trend line. You can draw it like this. It broke a little bit here, but then eventually you want to see the bottom side. I think that's the biggest thing that's changed my career is the bottom side is willing to pay more. And then they get to an impasse. And they basically said, who's going to pay more or pay less? And obviously, if this one was paying more and that was paying more, I think it should go up. Sure did. Came up here, another bull flag right here. So if you looked at this is right here, and the flag, and then the breakout again. So same thing, just draw your trend line. And then you just better watch volume. Now this volume's a lot less than it was here. So, you know, that has to be taken into effect. But still, easy run-ups, kind of like those little run-ups in after hours. And then you draw another trend line down here. And then you see it come up and touch it. Perfect. And then it comes up here and breaks it a little bit. Comes back down, touches the trend line, and then breaks again right here for a couple easy plays as long as you weren't greedy. Otherwise, it's going to break down some other indicators. The biggest indicators is now we start seeing more red volume. You'll start seeing more of that. And then also you'll see the peak and the down. So sometimes you probably shouldn't even have taken that trade, but I know that trade. I take that trade all the time, and I have some indicators that work for me very well. And this one is about as beautiful as you can get. And right here, if you want to see how high it should be, basically what they said is, I think Luke does this, he draws a square. I don't think I can draw a square, but let me just try one. And he goes, that should be the same height as that when it breaks out. I don't know about that, but all good. I'm going to look at a couple of other trades that we took early this morning. Acon, still did good after a rebound. But see, this is kind of like why I like a retrend right here. I will show you the retrend on this one right here. You can just take that trade to target one every time, lock it in. Good stuff. And then look, breakout, target two, and then a big fail off. So if you can identify that first run up, you're going to be good. Right here, some easy run ups. Basically, a trade goes up. If you miss this trade and you miss this trade, let it break down, let it keep breaking down. I know that trade. I think I took that one. You let it keep breaking down. That one's breaking trend. Still don't really care. And now we have a W forming here, right around here. And then a breakout, and then it broke this area, no problem, so it continued up. Now it has a little fight in the same area that it was high at, and broke one more time. Not too much of a fight, but yeah, that's called a flat top. I think Rob likes that one as well. And then it came up, broke down again, perfect. Looking for this W to form again. Took a little bit of a trade here. I mean, it's not that bad, it's 40 cents. And then just watching it break down. And now if you look at it, it's truly at the 50%. I'll draw it here. You'll look down here at 61, and then you'll see it retrend up again. And then just take those little stair steps. These are 3 little stair steps right here. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And you'll start eventually seeing them. They might not be the flattest ones or the perfect ones, but that's the easy one. I like that one right there. I take that one all the time as well. What's another good one that we had? I didn't take those, but I just drew the lines right in front of you. But I know all those little stair steppers, so I feel confident with that. RVSN. Oh, okay. Well, that was a good one. Let's look at just simple price action here. Let me get out of the way. Right here, breaking down, letting it break down. Let's just draw some trend lines. Broke, shelved right here. That should have been an easy trade right here. This is just pure price action. 1, 2, 3, long bull flag. Big pullback though, but this is why I take profit. See this, and it pulls all the way back. This is why I take them in sections. I still get the same trade, sometimes maybe a tad more, and then here's your large one, just like the other stock did right here. Right here. And look at the volume popped up that, and just let it break down some more right here. You can just draw another trend line here, let it break down, and maybe set some alerts and move it back up. I'm setting alerts on the way down. You don't know which platform is going to be the one where it re-breaks, but you can just set alerts and let it work. Here's IVP. Somebody's talking about it all the time, and finally at the open, it did do a little bit. Otherwise, it just ran up too much. See? So I had watched a good video the other day. There's a guy with Humble Trader. That agent relation is really good. She doesn't tell you many of her secrets though, so not good. But here's IVP, all the way to the dollar, and obviously just couldn't hold it. People were talking about it all morning, but look at this trend line. Let's just draw one, get it over with. Look at that. Tell me when it broke it. Tell me when it started making higher highs. Never did until at the open, and then look. Still, same place where it started. So draw some trend lines, make sure they break, and make sure they start stair stepping up. If they're not stair stepping up, don't take it. Here's PBLA. Here's an easy stair stepper. I think we had Mike Saxton and Sullivan kill this one right here. Obviously, I missed it. Here's the VWAP. And then right here, boom, easy trade, stair step, stair step, stair step. So if you take it in one section, let it die down. Re-breaks, proves itself, take another one because it's so closer to the high. Here's another shelf right here. That's another target one, easy one right here. What else? I didn't see that much anymore. There probably was a couple. I just wanted to really go over that CRBP with simple price action. And you just keep seeing it's breaking price. It has to break price to go up. And all you want to make sure is you're waiting. I like the major pullbacks. It gives a better stair stepping up right here. Bigger pullback, then you see a stair step back up, and then once it breaks that area, you get all of that. So you can get maybe 2 to 1, maybe 3 to 1 on your price range. But look, now think of somebody that held it. Somebody held this at 890 all the way up to 13 and pre. What if he had held it all day? $8 to 34. He would have got 4 times his money. But you'll start seeing these shapes after a while. These are all bull flags right here. It's very simple to see. It goes up, pulls back. You can call it ABCD pattern as well. A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Apologies. Do this one. A, B, C, D. You can do this one. A, B, A, B, C, D. And then this one forms. You go A, B, C, D. Once you start getting that, I think you'll have a little more of the possible perfect trading. Here's another little shelf forming here, the target one right here. I know that one as well. Not going to put my life on it though. All right, y'all have a good day. Just wanted to share this price action. Price action and looking at the volume. See, the low volume comes in right before the explosiveness. So as long as the shape's there, Volume will come because there's other people watching the exact same trade, just trying to get the lowest price. But look at the buyers. Look at the buyers at the bottom. Look at the buyers. Look at the buyers behind the bottom all the time. So that's why I took that trade. Buyers right here on the bottom side. And basically you just have to see for EMAs. Hey, y'all have a great day and a great weekend.